This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in the previous sessions, we have discussed about how to create the stock group, stock category, units of measurements, and we have passed the transactions by giving the balances in the stock item also, as well as we passed the transaction and we got the balances by you also using the go downs. Okay, so the next part is, so now we will see the reports. Can anyone tell me how we can be able to find the report related to go down wise? So just few minutes back we have been discussed. So please just try to get back, memorize and guide me how I can be able to find the go down wise report. Please try, even though if it is a wrong answer, it's okay, but please try. Alt F5 from which screen ma? I think Alt F5 it is a voucher type. So what you are going to get it for passing a debit note entry. So my requirement was how to check the report related to go down wise. Alt F5 for debit note, Alt F6 for credit note. Good try. My requirement is how to check the go down wise report in Tally. Hope everyone are able to see my screen. Please type it as yes if you are able to see my screen. Good. So now please check it out with any option is required. Please check it out which option we can try so that we can be able to get the required option, required report. Okay. So I'll give one more clue. So I have the screen over here as a gateway of Tally. I have few reports option also. Do we have any report option over here so that I can be able to get the Gordon wise report in this screen itself? Can I go to any particular report so that I can be able to get it Gordon wise report? Okay, tell me whether Gordon is related to accounting or inventory. Inventory, very good. So if anything is there related to inventory, the very first report we are supposed to check with in the screen. So what it could be? Stock summary, very good. So we can go to the stock summary, and what is the shortcut key we use it to get a detailed information. If I want to expand the information in the screen, Very good. Alt F1. So we can expand it. It is not only applicable for stock summary, it is applicable for any report screen. Okay, very good. So do we find a report related to Godon wise in this screen? Is it possible to get it? By defaultly, it is not showing. It is showing only with stock group wise and stock item wise. Is it possible to get a report Godon wise in this screen? Just see the shortcut keys. Okay, let me not drag it. So you have a shortcut key called F5. So if you press F5 stock item wise report, you will be able to get it a stock item with the go down wise report. So which go down is how much quantity it holds with that particular stock item. So this is one of the report what you can be able to check with. So whereas you can go back to the gateway of Tally. There is a separate report to see with go down wise report. Okay, so what it could be means always apart from the gateway of Tally report screens, if you want to check further more reports, where we can go, through which option we can be able to go to the another report screen of gateway of Tally. So we have to go for display. Very good. So here we can be able to find out with furthermore reports screens. So here, as you all know that we are searching it for the inventory related report. So in that case, we can go to inventory related reports. So we have two reports. One is inventory books and another one is statement of inventory. Same way for the accounting purpose, you have the reports like trial balance, daybook. Daybook it shows all the transaction information. Trial balance it shows the closing balances of all the ledger masters. Cash flow it shows all the cash transaction. Fund flow it shows what are the ways you are getting money into your business either through cash or through bank. Then related to the accounting reports, you can go for account books. Yeah, related to the outstanding reports related to the accounts. So you can go for statement of accounts. Same way for the inventory, we have a inventory books and statement of inventory for the extra inventory reports. So let's go to the inventory books. So here you will be able to get a report related to only go down wise report. So I can go for primary so that it shows all the go down information in one screen. If you want to check with individual, you can go for individual go down wise report. So let me go to the primary and press Alt F1 for detailed report. So under each go down, how many stock it shows. Okay. So now let's assume that there is a situation that, for example, furniture. So what all the goods I have it under the furniture? I have a table. So under the head office, you can see on top here the go down it shows head office. I have a 17 quantity. Okay. Whereas under the branch office, I can go and check it out. It is 8 quantity. Okay, so the table is 8 quantity. Now let's assume it there is a requirement in the branch office of two number of tables. So how I can be able to get it to my branch office? So there is a requirement of 10 tables, 10 number of tables. There is a party who is ready to buy it, 10 numbers, but I have only the stock of 8 numbers in the branch office. So how do I get that two numbers? So what are the ways we can be able to get the stock into the business? How did I got this 8 numbers or 70 numbers into the business? By passing which voucher I was able to get the stock into the business purchase. Very good. Okay. So now I can be able to purchase two number of furniture, that is a table, for only the branch office. But there is a situation that you need it immediately and you are not going to purchase it. If not purchasing, what could be the other way of getting the two numbers of stock to the branch office apart from purchase? So what is the other possibility we can do that? Transfer from Medavas. Very good. Okay. So when we have enough stock at the other end, so we can be able to make use of at that situation. Okay. So what is that transaction I should pass it for transferring the goods from one location to another location or from one go down to another go down? So do you have an idea? So which voucher type we should pass it? Please let me know. So guide me how to check it out, which voucher type. You can have a look on the shortcut keys which are available on the right hand side in the screen. Journal, very good. It's a good try. Journal, actually we use it to adjust the accounting ledgers. Okay, journal is pure accounting voucher, so which will be used only for the adjustment of the accounting ledgers. So whereas here the adjustment has to be done with inventory. Very good try, Sanyojna. So let's go to the other vouchers option, F10. So in this list, you can find it related to inventory vouchers. There are two voucher types. One is a physical stock and stock journal. So like how journal is used to make the adjustment towards the accounting, the same way here the adjustment between the inventory. So we will pass with stock journal, Alt F7. So go to the stock journal voucher type. So here you have two columns, one is source or consumption and destination or production. Okay, so source is from where, destination is to which place. So I have to select the stock item which has to be transferred. So here we required with table. Now, from which godown it has to transfer? So what should be selected on the source side? From which place it has to be transferred? Let me know the godown name to be selected here. Head office, very good. So select with head office, and at what quantity? Let me take it as 2 quantity. So the value it will be taken automatically. So come on the other side, select the same stock item, because what you are sending, it will be received the same over there. Then on the other end, the go down to be selected with which is receiving. So select with branch office, and the quantity it will be 2 quantity. Accept the entry. So now if you go to stock summary report, so it says the total is 25 only. So that is 17 plus 8. So it doesn't show directly over here. If you press F5, so here you can be able to find it that branch office has a 10 numbers and head office has a 15 numbers. Before it was 8 and now it has become 10, and head office before it was 17, now it has become with 15. So you can be able to check the report. So stock journal. So it is an internal adjustment. So we can also call it as an inter-transfer of stock. Internal stock transfer entry. So you may be asked with the question that which is the transaction type we use it for internal stock transfer. So the answer will be stock journal. Okay. So you can be able to use with stock journal voucher type. Now let's assume it. Okay, before this, I also want to show one more report related to this, the transfer of the goods. So if you want to check the report only related to the transfer of goods, so you can go to the display, you can go for statement of inventory. So here you can be able to go with movement analysis. So here you can go for transfer analysis report, so which shows related to stock journal voucher type entry. So which is that entry? You have been passed it and you have been transferred how many quantity from one place to another place. Okay, so this is one report. Then there is one more report called aging analysis. So this aging analysis is used for what purpose? Means to know that this stock, whatever you have a stock with you, the closing balance. So from how many days it is lying with you. Okay, so if you want to get clear with the goods, which is there from very long term, okay, so you can be able to find it out and you can be able to move that particular goods exactly with. Okay, so you can be able to go to the gateway of tally, display, then statement of inventory, aging analysis, and select with primary stock so that you can be able to get all the stock items, and press F6, press F6, and you can be able to give your aging period. So aging period is nothing but, so how do you value your goods? From what period to what period you are going to value it? By default, it has taken 45 days to 60. So minimum 45 days or lesser than 45 days, more than 45 to 90 days in this way. So you can check it out live. So how many stock is there from for less than 15 days? So that is the latest stock. So which is there for 15 days to 30 days, 30 days to 45 days, or more than 45 days. So do not give any value at the last. You just press enter so that you can come to know that. So which is that stock? It is there from less than 15 days and more than 15 days. So let me take for example any of the stock item. Let me go back to the transaction. I'll go to the day book and I'll change one of the transaction. So I think lastly I made it the purchase of fruit jam on the 2nd April. Let me pass this transaction for F2 on 1st of May and accept the screen. So now let me check with the report statement of inventory. Go to the aging analysis report and you can see here that this particular stock item, it is there with me from lesser than 15 days. It takes the period here as 1st of May. But if I change this, what is the shortcut key to change the period is F2. Press F2 and check it out from the 1st of April to till 1st of May. Okay, so here also I'll make changes F2. Sorry. I'll change it to 31st May. Okay, I'll make it as 31st May. Yes. So if I'm checking the report on 1st of April to 31st May, so here you can be able to see that the goods which is there, which has been purchased before 31st May. So this good is there from lesser than 15 days as per this period time, and these are the goods which is there from more than 45 days. So that is from the 1st of April to 31st May. So it comes to 60 days. So more than this, if you are going to check it out. So it is there from very long period. So I can keep these goods which can be sold later, and I have to take care of these goods which is lying with me from many days. So I have to sell it at earliest. So this is the use of the aging analysis report. Is that clear with the aging analysis concept? Please type it as clear so that we can understand that you have understood with. Is that clear? Okay, thank you for the response. Fine. So the next thing is, so when I go to the stock summary report, Alt F1. Now, let's assume it. So I have a rise of 310 bags. Okay. So now, when I counted manually, so I found out that there is only 305 bags. So I'll repeat the query. When I am going to check the report, it shows that 310 bags are available. So when I'm going to pass the transaction also, for example, sales, when I want to make a sale of the rice, It shows as 310 bags only. But when I counted physically, I found out that there is a 305 bags only. So there is a less in 5 bags. So now, which is the correct report it has to show for me? Is that 310 bags or is it a 305 bags in the report? As per the report transactions report, I'm having 310 bags, but physically when I check it out, it is only 305 bags. So now tell me whether it should be 310 or whether it should be 305. Very good. It has to show with 305, but here it shows 310. So what shall we do it to make it from 310 to 305? Adjustment entry. Good. So we can pass an adjustment entry. But what kind of adjustment entry? See, when there is a physically the goods, it has been moved from one place to another place, then it is okay. But here we found out there is a 5 bag, it has been theft. So I want to make an adjustment of only the quantity. So instead of passing the stock journal voucher type for a stock adjustment, we will pass with another voucher type related to inventory. So that is physical stock. Control F7. So I can go to the physical stock entry and we can be able to pass a transaction by selecting the stock item, rice. So here, please specify in which location you want to make the adjustment. Okay, so here the branch office has a 100 bags and head office has a 210 bags. So let's assume it there is a difference in the head office go down of 5 quantity. So now the total which was available 210, but physically it is counted as 205. So that quantity has to be entered over here. So let me select only head office and accept the entry. So now let's check it out in the report, stock summary report. It shows how much Alt F1. So it shows 305 bags. If I press F5, so the rice, it shows for head office as 205 bags. Is that clear with this? Okay. So this is how you can be able to use the stock adjustment entries. One is stock journal when physically it is moved from one location to another location, and the other one is physical stock when there is a difference in the counting of stock in physically and the report. So you can be able to make the adjustment by passing with stock adjustment entry. I mean physical stock entry. Okay. So now please take a 2 minutes of time and get back to me that if you have any kind of a doubt. Hope everyone are clear with the concepts. So now, if I want to check the report only related to the physical stock, I can go to the inventory books, physical stock register, and here I can be able to find out with how many entries have been passed by using the physical stock entry on what date. So I'll be able to get to know. Okay. So let's pass a transaction. Let me take it F8. Now, let's assume it I'm making one transaction. Inventory sales. Now, let me give a fruit jam from head office, one quantity with free of cost. So when it is said as free of cost, I should not specify it as rate and the amount. So I should specify only how many quantity I'm giving without any rate and amount, because it is a free sample I'm giving to the person. Okay. So in that case, I'm not going to enter with rate and the amount. Accepted. So it says no entries in voucher. That means until and unless you give any value, either with paise or with rupee value, without any amount value, it will not accept with the transaction. So how do we pass a zero value transactions? Okay, so now we can press F11. Okay, so the option it has been removed from the F11 feature. So we can go to the gateway of tally, go to the altar of masters, voucher type. Let's go to the sales. Yes. So in the voucher type alteration screen of the sales voucher type, so you will have an option called allow zero value transactions. So I have to keep this option as yes and accept it. So now if I go to the gateway of tally and pass the transactions, okay, let me take it with cash. Inventory sales, stock item, head office, one quantity with no value and accept the entry. Accept it. So even though without having any value, you can be able to accept the entry. The same thing if I try it out in the purchase, it will not allow me because I have to enable it in the purchase voucher type as allow zero valued transaction as yes. Okay. So hope everyone understood with the concept that how to pass with the zero value transaction. So in the same transaction, now if I want to have, so that was only if I'm going to give only one stock item at a free of cost as a sample, so I can be able to pass the transaction in that way. Suppose in case if I'm going to have a transaction where I have to buy one and buy two get one free. So if I'm making a sales, I'm making a sale of two items, where with that I should also give with one item as a free, where I will be charging only for the two stock items. How I can be able to add two different columns, where one column is how many stock I'm giving it and how many stock I'm charging it. So for this, I can be able to have a option called in F11. There is an option under inventory as use separate actual and billed quantity columns in invoices. So make this option as yes and accept the screen, so that while passing the transaction, while passing a transaction, you can be able to select the stock item. Let's take it as head office. So here there are two columns, that is the actual and billed column. Actual is the column which total quantity it is going out of your business. So let me take it as 3. So total quantity is 3, but I'm billing it for how many? I'm billing it only for 2 quantity. So now I'll be giving the balance, sorry, how much rate I want to sell it. So which is the shortcut key or the report screen I can get it, so that I can check it out what was the rate did I purchase it. How do I get the history of this stock item? Do you remember today morning we discussed on one particular stock query report? What is the shortcut key for it? We used it to get the information of my stock item history. It was Alt yes. So here I can be able to get it, the history of it. So I purchased it for 50 rupees. So I can be able to sell for more than that. I'll be selling it at 75. Okay. So now I can be able to accept the transaction with two types of columns of quantity. Hope you people were able to understand with this. Okay. Fine. Is that okay? That's fine. Okay. So I think today we have discussed a lot of things. So I want you people to get back and practice on all these things and get back with any questions, queries. So until and unless you practice, you may not get queries. So please do that, so we can be able to come up with new concepts in the next classes. Okay. So fine. So we will end up for the session for today now. Thank you for all bearing for extra hour. Thank you all. Have a nice day.